Hello, it's Lee from Webber's Estate Agents. Now I've got this lovely 5-bedroom terraced Victorian family home coming to the market very shortly. And the real jewel in the crown for this one is the fabulous, spacious, light-filled kitchen cum family room at the rear. It really is a perfect space for that modern day family living. Now this property is conveniently situated. It's close to the picturesque Torrs walk. It's close to the high street and other local amenities. There's a lovely sized, sunny, low maintenance garden at the rear and unrestricted parking at the front. So here's a sneak preview for you now. So there we are, this one is coming to the market very shortly. Don't miss this one, register your interest now. To do that, simply call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.